Hello, I'm Mr. Angry Bird, and I got Pepsi Pass. Basically, I don't know what to do with it, but I heard a rumor if you do something on YouTube, that you can do something. See, that was just a bit of my butler playing the walkie-talkie, or whatever it's called. I think it's called Harmony. Yeah, it's Harmony, I think. Yeah, so he's gonna be playing that randomly throughout the video. Oh, wrong way. See, you gotta turn it around. Yeah. Okay, good. Just keep doing that. Well anyway. Oh god, my toe hurts. Pause the video. I finally did it. Pepsi finally hit the Angry Bird. Now a moment with cute Ted. So Teddy, what are you doing? That's exactly what we thought. A moment on his back. Oh, you see, you found my dog. Where are you? I think you mean right behind you. Ella. Ow, that hurt. That really hurt. No! Why is he still here? I knew it was you. You may not be able to defeat me. You may be able to defeat me right now, but that doesn't mean I'll be gone. See, that was my foot. Okay. Oh, wait. I think there might have been more Pepsi in there. Oh yeah, what do you think? Ugh. Just sounded like it. Well, what are you gonna do? Well, you know, I could have my butler make you a song. Song da 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 da. now, you see, there's gonna be more videos of there's gonna be more videos with Mr. Teddy in it. Like, for example, News with Ted. Wake up, baby. Oh, wake up. Oh, come on, wake up, Ted. Yeah, I don't want to stop the video now, okay? Come on, Ted. You can do it. Yeah, just wake up for a few seconds. Oh, yeah. Oh, here you are waking up. Ugh, you just woke me up. Why? Because I need you to do... Ted, wake up. Baby, wake up. Stop being a lazy boy. Don't be a fat boy. Come on, wake up, wake up. Good boy. Okay, Ted. Okay, you're up. Now, you ready to do the end? My God. It's like impossible to work with him. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just woke me up, and I don't get why. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.